He gained fame for his dark sense of humor and sharp-witted roasts.
मेरे को बहुत चुल है. अब वो चुल मैनिफेस्ट होती है कभी डार्क कॉमेडी में, कभी एजी में.
Despite his show India's Got Latent landing in legal trouble for dark humor, he saw a rise in his followers growing by lakhs.
Comedy is not coming from any disrespect. It's just coming from showing another angle to something.
Hailing from Jammu, Samar Raina was born in 1997 into a Kashmiri Pandit family. He said he grew up in Hyderabad because his parents, who were forced to leave their home during the 1990s exodus of Kashmiri Hindus, eventually settled there. Raina's father was a journalist while his mother was a homemaker. It was a school where he said he developed a sense of humor. He was often bullied, especially because of his skin color.
मैं बाथरूम में पिटा हूँ, मैं क्लास में पिटा हूँ, थप्पड़ पड़े हैं. वो रबर बैंड नहीं होता, वो रबर बैंड ऐसे करके मेरी आँख में फड़ा है, मेरी आँख फूटी थी.
A group of students would pick on him, calling him names such as
गोरी वाली रानी, छक्का, हिजड़ा, कुछ.
To fit in with the other students of the school, he said he did multiple things, including learning the local language Telugu, hoping that would end the bullying. But it didn't stop. He said when everything failed, he turned to humor.
When I started laughing whenever they used to bully me, I started playing along to show that I'm cool, but inside I used to feel that somehow kind of helped me maybe become this guy where I can manage my feelings, where I can talk to you, where I can show you something else, but inside I'm feeling something else you won't even realize.
He became friends with those who were junior to him because
I make a friend, then I get bullied in the lunch break in front of him, then what is my respect then?
he believed cracking jokes was the best way to make friends. He would add his funny spin to popular stories like Supandi, Akbar Birbal, Laugh to Challenge, and even Google jokes just to have something funny to say. And he began seeing things change.
So that's how I started कि भाई jokes में मेरा interest, comedy में interest.
He found a friend in 11th grade who had his back. With that support, he started gaining confidence. The schoolboy who was too scared to defend himself suddenly schooled people during debates. By the time he reached college, he said nothing scared him anymore, as he had already heard the worst things about himself in school.
Yeah. And I just became the class clown, used to just around, have fun. Funny guy in the college.
He did printing engineering from Pune, which involved design and production of printed materials such as newspapers and books. But later, he called it a waste of time as he found his true calling for comedy after performing at open mics.
क्या है ये printing engineering? इतना डिपार्टमेंट कॉलेज के सामने का जेरोक्स वाला गेस्ट लेक्चर में आता था.
His talent soon earned him opportunities to open shows for comedians such as Anirban Dasgupta and Abhishek Upmanyu in Pune. As his popularity grew, Raina made the decision to move to Mumbai, where he pursued stand-up comedy full-time and performed in multiple cities across India. In 2019, he participated in the second season of the Indian stand-up comedy series Comicstaan and became a joint winner alongside Akash Gupta.
The best feeling in the world is to not wear a bra. मैंने कहा I know.
Apart from comedy, Samay was a chess enthusiast. He started on chess.com competing with top international Twitch streamers, and during the COVID lockdown, shifted to live streaming chess on YouTube, collaborating with professional chess players, other stand-up comedians and celebrities.
तो अब हमारा घोड़ा हिलेगा तो क्वीन मर जाएगी, है ना?
He attracted new chess fans by adding humor to the game.
Oh my God, what a turnaround! What a turnaround!
While many were hooked on his dark humor, others found it deeply offensive. His sense of humor often landed him in the midst of controversy. In 2022, he joked about a 2-month-old child's life-threatening medical condition and the 16 crore rupees injection that was required to save the infant's life. While he didn't face any legal issues, he faced a lot of backlash on social media. That same year, he was called out for making a joke on abortion. He tweeted that once he wrote a joke on his girlfriend, but she didn't end up liking it, and asked him to remove it. And to this, he said that if someday he would want his girlfriend to get an abortion, then she should not come and say, "My body, my choice." Despite the controversies, he continued gaining fame. 2 years later, in June 2024, in a controversial roast on Ashish Solanki's podcast, he made jokes on actor Kusha Kapila's marriage, divorce and her sex life.
यार दे देना जोरावर को वो कुतिया. उसकी लाइफ में कोई कुतिया हो.
Kusha labeled his jokes dehumanizing. That same month, he started a show on YouTube named India's Got Latent and described it as an unnecessary reality show. It featured people from across India who showcased their talent in 90 seconds. A panel of judges rated the performances and the winner used to get a cash prize. The show often featured judges who were celebrities, YouTubers and singers, and they interacted with the performers. During the course of the show, the judges were known to roast the performers and sometimes even other guests. But as the show's popularity grew due to the dark comedy, so did the scrutiny. One of the episodes of India's Got Talent featuring YouTuber Ranveer Alabadia had snowballed into prime-time discussions.
हमने अश्लीलता के भी कुछ नियम तैयार किए हैं, अगर उनको कोई पार करता है तो ये बहुत गलत बात है, अगर ऐसी कोई बात होती है तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
Samay Raina got into legal trouble for the use of abusive language, promoting obscenity and engaging in sexually explicit and vulgar discussion. While many criticized him for his show, others defended him saying filing an FIR was too much.
चोली के पीछे क्या है, ऐसे गाने जब फेस्टिवल्स में बजते हैं तब तो लोग कोई कुछ नहीं बोलते, कॉमेडी को कॉमेडी की तरह देखा करो।
The comedian then deleted all episodes of India's Got Talent from YouTube, saying everything that is happening has been too much for me to handle. Samay Raina had more than 10 million followers across all the social media platforms. Before the India's Got Talent controversy, his channels gained 10,000 to 20,000 followers per day in February 2025. His net worth was estimated to be around 140 crores. However, the Economic Times suggested that it could also reach up to 195 crore rupees. As per first post, his show India's Got Talent was estimated to earn around 1.5 crore per month from YouTube memberships. After Ranveer Alabadia's episode on 10 February, he gained over 89,000 followers on Instagram in 3 days, reaching 1.34 lakh by 13th February. His YouTube channel also grew rapidly, adding 80,000 subscribers on 10th February, followed by 30,000 and 20,000 on the next 2 days. Prachi Dubale, co-founder of Mumbai-based marketing agency Blue Race Mediaverse, said, Samay's audience is more niche, consisting primarily of comedy lovers who appreciate his humor and relatability. This community, driven by shared values, stayed loyal and rallied around him despite the controversy, resulting in an increase in followers. Samay Raina's sense of humor not only gained him a lot of fans, but also opened a debate about where the lines should be drawn in comedy.
वो जो लाइन होती है वो तुम्हें खुद अपने लिए बनानी होती है। ये मेरा जोन ऑफ कॉमेडी है भाई, ठीक है। अब मैं गलतियां भी करता हूँ कई बार, आई एम नॉट अ परफेक्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग, नोबडी इज, तो मैं बस सीखता हूँ, बेटर करता हूँ खुद को। एवरीवन हैज देयर ओन लाइन एंड एवरीवन शुड बी ओके विद द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस दैट यू हैव टू गेट विद द लाइन।